Swagbucks lets you convert SB points into gift cards or PayPal cash, but the redemption process only works after your account is verified. That's the part that trips up a lot of first-time users. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to redeem a Swagbucks gift card, how long it usually takes, and what can delay it. Here's the direct answer. To redeem a Swagbucks gift card, you go to the rewards section, pick the gift card you want, confirm your redemption, and complete account verification if asked. That's it. But there are a few steps that matter. First, check your SB balance. Swagbucks uses SB as its points system. Before redeeming, make sure you have enough for the card you want. Different cards cost different amounts, so your balance has to match the reward. Open the app or website and tap Rewards. This is where all redemption options are listed. You'll usually see popular choices like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and PayPal. Some gift cards may also have limited time discounts, which means fewer SB for the same value. That's worth watching. Second, choose your gift card. Once you pick one, Swagbucks will show the exact point cost and delivery method. Most digital gift cards are sent by email. Double-check your email address before confirming. If the email is wrong, your reward goes to the wrong inbox. Third, verify your account. Swagbucks may ask for a security check before processing your first redemption. This can be through email verification or account confirmation. Do it immediately. Redemptions usually don't move until that step is done. After that, submit your order. Now the waiting starts. Some gift cards arrive quickly, while others can take longer, depending on the retailer and account review process. If it feels delayed, check your rewards history inside Swagbucks. That section shows if it's processing, approved, or delivered. One important tip. Save your gift card code as soon as it arrives. Some people leave it sitting in email and lose track of it. Quick recap. Make sure you have enough SB first. Go to Rewards and pick the gift card you want. Verify your account if prompted. Check your email and rewards history after redeeming. Your next move is simple. Open your Swagbucks Rewards tab right now and compare which gift card gives you the best value for your current balance. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next guide on the fastest ways to earn SB without doing surveys.